Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for a math test last minute. First, focus on the core concepts. Quickly identify the most important topics and formulas from your notes. Spend about 20 to 30 minutes reviewing examples of problems that frequently appear on tests. Understanding the fundamental principles is more effective than trying to memorize every single detail. Next, dedicate about 45 to 60 minutes to active practice. Work through a few representative problems from each major topic. Focus on understanding the steps to solve different problem categories, rather than just getting the right answer. If you get stuck on one difficult problem, move on after 5 to 10 minutes to maximize your time. Now, efficiently leverage your available resources. Consult your textbook's chapter summaries and practice questions for quick reinforcement. If a concept remains challenging, watch a short online tutorial, perhaps 10 to 15 minutes long, for a different explanation. Don't hesitate to ask a classmate or teacher for quick clarification on specific points. Even a 2-minute chat can help immensely. Finally, perform a quick review and prepare for test day. Briefly skim through your notes one last time, perhaps for 15 minutes, to reinforce key ideas. Ensure you have all necessary materials, such as a calculator with fresh batteries and 2 or 3 sharpened pencils. Most importantly, aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep for optimal performance and clear thinking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.